encouraged to go to Lubaga Miracle Center belonging to Pastor Kayanja Robert and my father called Salongo Peter.
What? Are you understanding what is written?
Salongo Peter who was a member of that church, and this was in 2017. I started praying from there until when I picked interest to work as a security for the church. As I started working in hospitality department. Then in 2018, I was chosen by Pastor Kayanja to go for training at lw'eyogedde, where we trained for about 3 months. Then after, I was deployed at the church as security. Then afterwards, posted to Kayanja farm belonging to Pastor Kayanja. I was told and assured of working for 350,000. Later, I was added 100,000 to then 450,000. The pastor had assured of giving for us this money to avoid us misusing it at the farm. While at the farm, one Senyonga Oregon was our leader, whom Pastor Kayanja had entrusted to lead us. We stayed there while working, but in March 2021 to May 2021, Senyonga left the farm and started staying in the Chibumba Trading Center. And he just called us to send him reports so that he sends to the pastor. And whenever pastor sends money, he misused some. I do remember in May 2021, Senyonga Oregon came to the farm and told all of us to vote that Pastor Kayanja wanted us for a meeting at the church. Since he was our leader, we just voted the vehicle after all, we all needed our salaries, which the pastor had kept for us for the time to work for. When we reached the church at Lubaga, we met Pastor Kayanja, who asked us why we left without his permission. But Senyonga Oregon, the leader, explained that he was not happy. Then he told us to go to our houses. He rents for us so that he would call us at least. Then the money was ready. When the money was ready, but he didn't expect what we did. So after 4 days, he called all of us and we were all paid money, but fully, like for my case, I got 4 million. We were told to wait at our residence, and for my case, more money was sent on my telephone, the number 0775007592, from Chisitu Fred, the cashier of Pastor Kayanja, who was responsible for paying our salaries. I remained demanding 1,700,000. Then I was called to go to the church, and all of us were balanced by Chisitu Fred. And I finally signed for my balance of 1,700,000, and that knowledge that I don't demand any money, and this was on the 2nd day of August 2021. On the 17th day of September 2021, Senyonga, our leader, told us that we had a meeting at the church by Pastor Kayanja. We went to go back to work, and he had to go to the church. I got Senyonga Oregon, Senyonga Peter, Kamala Alex, Yaz Henry, Willie Moses, seven names. Labe Khalifa and others on the road to the church. So we moved to the entrance gate, where the security asked us where and whom we had come to meet. Instead of those Senyonga Oregon, Labe Khalifa and he has told us forcefully enter up to the reception as Senyonga claimed that it was Pastor Kayanja who had called us in meeting. While at the reception, we asked Henry was holding the phone while taking a video of the events they were going on, while shouting that all of us, Pastor Kayanja sodomized us, and that was the reason we had not to demand for our money for such act of sodomy. As the pastor promised, these are the words he uttered. I don't start according that as if these people called us for other intended issues, and yet they said we were going to meet the pastor. That's the time I simply moved outside the gate. Avoid being arrested innocently for things I did not know. I only was told that the police came and arrested them, and they were detained at Olutalo police station while in their detention. I received a phone call from one who introduced me as Kumbu. Telephone number 07529493364, asking me whether I knew Pastor Kayanja. I said yes, but he was driving me to one issue of falsely alleging that Pastor Kayanja Robert sodomized me inclusive. The father told me that he was the lawyer of human rights fighting to remove those who Senyonga and others from prison where they were remanded. He insisted me to tell him where Pastor Kayanja Robert had sodomized me, but I told him he didn't know. My work was to work at the farm as security. It's from those points that I came to realize that all day this was done at the church. The day they were arrested. On the day they were arrested, were planned and were false implications of tarnishing the Pastor Kayanja's name. The issue of salary, all of us were fully paid. All our salaries, and I am not happy. I am not imparting their false allegations. That's all I can state, stated by me, grateful and correct. Signed.
Confirm to court that that's your witness statement and these my notes.
That's a court statement we are going to read it down.
And those are notes. But in the statement that was disclosed, it's not there. The one that has been read. That's all I want to say. It's not there.
Tinamu statement ya council bagenda okukozesa tekirimu kyagala okakasi tekirimu ekyo.
You told the court that the flash which was tendered in, it's you who bought it. That's true.